Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about how to use domain money for beginners. For beginners looking to use domain money via its website, the process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. First, visit domainmoney.com and create an account by signing up with your email and personal details and completing identity verification or KYC. Once logged in, you can fund your account by linking a bank account and transferring funds securely. Beginners can choose between self-directed investing, where they manually buy and sell stocks and cryptocurrencies, or opt for managed portfolios. It allows Domain Money's experts to handle investments based on financial goals and market trends. The website offers real-time insights, financial news, and social feeds, helping new investors stay informed. Its simple interface makes navigation easy even for those new to investing. However, while self-directed trading is commission-free, managed portfolios come with management fees, so beginners should evaluate their preferences. Overall, Domain Money's website is a great starting point for beginners, offering a mix of expert guidance and self-directed investment opportunities in an easy-to-use platform. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.